This is my drawing of Slappy from Goosebumps, and today I'll guide you through each of the steps so that you could draw this yourself. So grab a pen or pencil and let's get started. We'll begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the inside edge of the brow. Let's leave a gap in the center. Starting on the left side, we're going to bend this in and then up. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing, coming up towards the same height. Now I want to draw the bottom edge of the brow. Starting on the left, angle this up and then out with a straight line. Do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to curl the end of the eyebrow, coming out and then down. Let's add some thickness to the eyebrow. Starting from the tip, I'm going to taper this up and then in towards the top point. Angle this down and then in towards the inside of the brow. Let's fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now from these 2 points, we're going to draw the edge of the nose bridge. From this point, bend this in and then down. Let's tuck the eyes in underneath the brow, starting at the top, bend this in and then down, just following that same curve. Now moving over towards the side, let's draw the outside of the eyelid, going across and then down. Let's go back to the left side, draw the bottom of the eye, coming down, around, and then up. From the top of the eyelid, we're going to draw a circle for the iris, coming around and then back up. Do the same thing on the right. And then in the center, draw a small circle for the pupil and fill those in black. Let's go underneath the eye. We're going to add a fold, going out and then down across the top of the cheeks. Now let's go back to the center. We're going to move all the way down, add a curve, going down and up across the tip of the nose. Now on the side, we're going to step down, curl the nostril, going around and then in toward the side. Let's move up and draw a short curve going across the bridge of the nose. Now I'm going to go back to the nostrils. We want to draw the bottom edge of the cheek. Let's start up here, curl this down and out, curl this around and then down. Now I want to draw a large curve for the mouth, starting on the left, coming down and then up. And let's curl the corner of the mouth, coming down toward the side. From these two curves, draw two straight lines coming down towards the chin. Let's close off the chin with a curve. Now underneath the mouth, we're going to add another curve for the lower lip, coming down and then up. Now we're going to go back to the temples and draw the cheeks coming back in towards these points of the chin. Let's start on the left, come down and out, round up the cheek, and then bend that in. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. So we're just going to line this up, coming down and out, round up the cheek, and then back in. Now we'll continue up along the edge of the hairline. So starting back on the left, bend this up, go out, and then back in. And then we'll connect the top with a curve. Starting on the left, bend this up, come down the middle, go up, and then back down. Now we're going to go back towards the side and draw those large ears. Let's start on the left. We're going to go up, round out the ear, and then bend that in, bend this down, and then in towards the cheek. Let's take that same ear and flip it over on the right. So we're just going to line this up, going around and in, come down across the earlobe, and then back in. Now there's a fold that goes across the top of the ear, starting from the side of the head. We're going to go up and then out. Now from this point, we're going to step out, curve the head. We're going to go out and then back in on top of the ears. And then we'll connect this point to this inside with a straight angled line. Now we're going to go back over towards the left side. We're going to add some texture just brushed over towards the right. So we're going to start here, going up, across, and then down. And move back, add another layer, going up, across, and then down. Let's do it one more time, going across. And it's going to pull this down toward the top right corner. Now I want to go back and add a crack across the tip of the nose and the chin. So we're going to start up here. I'm just going to draw these little angled lines going across the tip of the nose and then across the chin. Underneath the chin, we're going to draw a large curve for the collar, starting on the left, just underneath the chin, and then back up. Now from the end of the line, we're going to step in, draw two lines coming down the side of the neck. Let's wrap that collar coming in towards the side of the neck. Let's move back to the center, draw the knot of the tie, start with a curve across the top, straight down the side, and we'll round out the bottom. Let's go to the top corners of the knot, curve the tie going up and then out. From the bottom corners, come down and then out. And we'll close off the end with another curve. Let's go to the side of the knot and add a fold. From the outside of the collar, this angle is down and out towards the shoulders. Now over on the right side, we're just going to curve this down and then out. Let's go over toward the left side, come down, and just tuck that in towards the middle. Now just up above the knot, draw a straight line coming down. Underneath, curve the collar coming down and then up. And same thing on the right. And just pull this up toward the outside of the collar. We're going to add a button with a circle in the center. And then over towards the right, draw a straight line coming down. I want to finish off with the shoulders and collar. So we'll start on the left, then down, then out. Let's draw the bottom half of the collar. Start with a straight angled line coming down and out. Now over on the right, we're just going to taper this in, tuck this one on the left side, and I'll draw the top half of the collar. And it will sign out art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how to draw Slappy from Goosebumps. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new videos each day. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.